Greeting, Nicholas here for another edition of SignalWire in Seconds. Over the last few episodes, we've shown you how to develop a static SWML script and deploy rapidly prototyped AI agents, all from the comfort of your SignalWire dashboard. But what if you wanted to leverage your preferred programming language to unlock the dynamism latent in SWML's powerful manifestation of call flow instructions? Crafting an AI agent from code opens up a plethora of possibilities for enhancing customer service interactions. Through the intricate orchestration of functions, webhooks, and SWML scripts, SignalWire furnishes a versatile and powerful toolset for enhancing communication flows, offering a glimpse into the future of programmable unified communications. Today, I'll introduce you to my buddy Lou, virtual box office agent for fictional minor league baseball team, the Rapid City Rushmores. Follow along as I manipulate SWML, the versatile SignalWire markup language, to create a virtual agent capable of transferring calls and sending SMS, using only a simple web server built in my preferred programming language, Node.js. Let's get started. Here in my preferred IDE, you can see that I've already taken the liberty of creating a blank JavaScript file. Node.js is a runtime environment that allows you to maneuver JavaScript server-side. Handling calls from code empowers telecom developers with greater mutability. Instead of spawning my SignalWire AI agent from a static SWML script, I can use a custom web server to execute specific functions based on the context of incoming or outgoing calls. How you set up your web server is mostly specific to the language and framework of your choosing. Today, I'll be utilizing Express in conjunction with Body Parser to create a minimal and flexible web application framework. If your IDE does not natively support port forwarding, I recommend using ngrok as the tunnel for local testing. My server will listen for incoming HTTP post requests on port 3000. Requests to my server will be handled by two endpoints: start, which initiates Lou's conversations, and transfer, which will enable Lou to send an SMS message and transfer calls. When a request from SignalWire is received, the start endpoint responds with SWML instructions that will define Lou's overarching behavior. If you're familiar with our pioneering brand of programmable unified communications, you know that the SignalWire markup language can be deftly expressed in YAML or JSON. Because I'm working with JavaScript today, I'll choose to author my SWML script in the JSON format. Between the boundaries of instructions backquotes, I can build said SWML script the same as I would from the comfort of my SignalWire dashboard. If the SWML shown here appears to you a bit brackish, don't hesitate. Dive into our developer blogs at SignalWire.com or visit our technical documentation over at developer.signalwire.com. There, you'll find succinct descriptions of SWML's methods and parameters, as well as guides for further developing your very own AI agent. For the purpose of today's demonstration, I'm going to hone in on the swag portion of my script. The AI parameter, swag allow SWML, will act as a conduit between my transfer function and the selfsame endpoint that I'll soon define. Swag, the SignalWire AI gateway, empowers developers to architect specific functions that can call upon SWML scripts situated externally from the AI's core model. The primary advantage here lies in the nuanced control it affords over subsequent actions following function activation. Complemented by a rich set of features accessible through SignalWire's communication APIs, Lou will be sanctioned to send SMS and transfer calls. Executing SWML from a swag function can be accomplished using a webhook, or when utilizing the data map. My example hinges on the use of webhooks. Webhook URL is a designated endpoint that houses a response encapsulating the intended action. This action defines the specified SWML script next in line to be executed. I'll point the webhook URL to my transfer endpoint. The transfer endpoint can be written similarly to its predecessor, responding to webhook requests with its own unique set of SWML instructions. Not only does Lou want to connect ticket purchasing hopefuls with live customer representatives, he also wants to arm the caller with information regarding Rapid City Rushmore's upcoming schedule of games. The first action is to send a text message to the inbound caller's number. This is achieved using the send SMS method. SWML provisions call object parameters, such as call.to and call.from, to be referenced within JavaScript expressions. Following SMS dispatch, the call is then transferred to a PSTN number or SIP endpoint using the connect method. These instructions highlight a practical application of the SignalWire AI agent, adding an extra layer of engagement and service, thereby enhancing customer interactions. With a simple Node.js web server and my completed SWML script in place, I'm prepared to give my SignalWire AI agent, Lou, a call.
Crackling sound of a baseball bat. Hello there. Welcome to the Rapid City Rushmore's box office. How can I assist you today? Are you looking for information about our team history or interested in purchasing tickets for an upcoming game?
Hi there, could you tell me about ticket sales, please?
Oh, what a hit. You're rounding the bases with that question. When it comes to ticket sales, you can purchase tickets either in person at the stadium box office or over the phone. If you prefer to buy tickets over the phone, I can transfer you to a live representative who can assist you further. How does that sound to you?
That sounds great. Could you transfer me, please?
The thrill of victory and the agony of defeat.
Fantastic. I'm transferring you to our ticket sales team now. They'll help you with purchasing tickets for the next home game. Enjoy the game. And I look forward to cheering on the Rapid City Rushmores with you. Goodbye.
This tutorial has walked you through the essentials of creating a SignalWire AI agent from code. By customizing the SWML instructions, you can expand your own AI agent's capabilities to handle a wide range of conversational scenarios, making him, her, or them an invaluable asset to your team. For more advanced features and customization options, explore the SignalWire documentation and experiment with different SWML components to broaden your AI agent's interactivity and intelligence. That's all I have for today. For more SignalWire in seconds, be sure to smash that subscribe button below.